Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ava again. Let's dive right in. Have you ever asked yourself, how does attending a Caribbean medical school affect your eligibility to practice medicine in the US? Well, today I want to talk a little bit more into Caribbean schools compared to US-based schools. What are the pros, what are the cons of attending one of them? When really the ultimate goal is for you to practice medicine in the US. There are more than 60 medical schools in the Caribbean, catering mostly to US students, and many students will choose these schools due to the fact that the acceptance rate is higher, and there are also multiple admission cycles. Some have open enrollment 3 times a year, like January, February, May, August, September. Even though these schools may have a lower MCAT and GPA requirement, it doesn't necessarily mean that they offer a lower quality education. Everyone knows that the fact is getting into medical school in North America is very, very competitive. And a lot of people don't make the cut, but they would be very good doctors. So these schools are looking for smart people with a desire to help communities be healthier. But I need to keep it real with you. Because admission process can be easier in Caribbean schools, there will be people in your class who did not perform well academically as undergrads. This doesn't mean that they won't be good doctors, but statistics show that the dropout rates at Caribbean medical school is generally higher. Therefore, this can be looked at when you're applying for a residency program. On average, the best Caribbean schools may reach about 70% match rate, and that's on the higher end. Something else to keep in mind is the limited options in terms of specialties. So, a significant limitation with attending a Caribbean school is that you can be at a disadvantage to successfully match in some specialties. So keep that in mind if you're wanting to proceed with dermatology, plastic surgery, orthopedic surgery. Typically speaking, the big 4, St. George's University, American of the Caribbean School of Medicine, SEBA, or Ross University, have a reputation for being the best options for students who will ultimately return back to the US for residency. So, if you ask me for my recommendation, I would say weigh your pros and your cons, and definitely do your research properly before making your final decision. Of course, if you need help, schedule a call with me, and we can figure this out together. See you later.